Finding power, position, and prestige is ordinary. Discovering humility, service, and character within is extraordinary. Amar Vivek Agarwal, a practicing attorney and a lawyer at High Courts and Supreme Court of India. He practices in the space where the power, position, and prestige are in abundance, sometimes converging or most times confronted. He is recognized as a trusted legal partner and advisor who is able to look into nagging legal issues and assist in finding solutions through mediation, settlement, negotiations, and if not, through court process, and thereby helping the clients to achieve their legal goals with an eye on the end goal. With over 30 years of professional practice, he has been the former Additional Advocate General Haryana, handling high-stake disputes of institutions and corporates. He has handled more than 8,000 matters in Supreme Court, various high courts, and various tribunals. He specializes in arbitrations, commercial laws, infrastructure and construction laws, constitutional laws, intellectual property rights, mining and minerals, electricity regulatory laws, environmental laws, matrimonial and child custody, and land acquisition matters. He has been shaping the litigation policy and legal strategies for various organizations and has been assisting in planning their systems to be versatile while supporting executive teams by giving legal inputs and preparing them for developing an interface which is hassle-free. His three little extras that sets him apart is 1. There are no foes. He believes that in business there are no permanent foes. An opponent today could be your partner tomorrow. 2. Innovation and thoroughness. He believes a legal solution is best achieved through thoroughness and by developing an in-depth and innovative model. 3. Values-driven approach. He believes by shifting focus from animosity to harmony, we can achieve the business goals without legal hurdles. He is blessed with effective communication and collaborative skills to convince the companions, opponents, and business stakeholders on one hand, and on the other hand, develop a meaningful line of articulation before the honorable courts so as to develop a litigation-free business model. He is a founder trustee of Sri Satya Sai Gramin Jagriti, where they have created a provision of free educational, healthcare, and vocational training facilities to the underprivileged sections, including orphans, widows, and poor girls in the village near Yamunanagar, Haryana. During the pandemic and challenging times, he has been a little extra to help the needy. He has established a 50-bed free COVID treatment hospital in Chandigarh. It's not a small game to establish and run a free hospital that is treating people from COVID-19 infection. Indeed, it's a great service. Ask him, where did he develop this character? He responds, having been fortunate to complete MBA education from the first batch of Sri Satya Sai University, God has been kind to send me to legal profession by giving a new meaning of the word LLB, which is Live and Love Bhagwan, which he feels can only be done if we live his ideals and practice them in day-to-day life. Finding power, position, and prestige is ordinary. Discovering humility, service, and character within is extraordinary.